That sucked. Hey everyone, I'm Rebecca Lee Henderson, and welcome to your Tuesday tune-up. This is just a very quick, simple, but deeply effective series that I love to either start off your day, to really energize you, get you going. It's beautiful to do at any time throughout the day, to just really check in, have a little restart if that's what you need. And it's also wonderful to do at the end of the day, just to let your day go. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Okay, and so we'll start by just bringing our feet hip distance apart and parallel. Bring a nice little gentle bend into the knees, maybe take a few bounces here. And let's just start with a few nice shoulder rolls. Bring the shoulders forward, up towards your ears, and sliding them down the back. Maybe adding in the breath if that feels good. Inhale, bring your shoulders forward. Bring them up towards the ears. Exhale, roll them down the back. Good. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, bring the shoulders forward. Up, hug them into your ears. Exhale, let them just roll down your back. Good. Just notice that might feel even really good just doing that. I know it feels good for me. And let's just start with now moving into a few just deep breaths to get going. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Maybe bring your gaze up if that feels comfortable. And exhale. Out through the mouth, bring your hands through heart center, and just releasing them down. Good. Again, inhale, take a deep, nourishing breath in, maybe bringing the gaze up, and exhale, out through the mouth, just letting your day go, letting any residual tension go. One more time. Inhale, breathe in fresh oxygen, fresh energy, fresh life force. Exhale. Just letting go of anything you don't need. Good, and just taking a moment here again to gently roll the shoulders back. And now again, inhale, sweep your arms up. And interlace the fingers of your right hand around your left wrist and press your left palm up towards the sky. Good, now right here, press down through your feet, root down through them. Inhale, lengthen up tall, lift through the crown of your head, and now dive up and over to your right. Coming into a nice little side bend here. Engage through the legs, so hug and tighten through your thigh muscles. Engage through your core, hugging your navel in towards the spine. Good, and maybe gently pull on that left wrist a bit, little more, inviting a greater opening into the left side body for 3, 2, 1. You got it. Good work. Slowly come back to center and relax your hands down. Give them a little shake, maybe a few bounces in the knees. Let's go the other side. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Interlace the fingers of your left hand around your right wrist. Sometimes I get my left and my right mixed up. Root down through your feet. Grow tall through the crown of your head. And now dive up and over to your left. Yeah, notice how this one side of the body might feel a little bit different from the other, and that is okay. Maybe choosing to keep your gaze open, maybe closing your eyes. Just taking a moment here to tune in, feel the body. Again, hugging in, squeezing through your thigh muscles, hugging in through your belly. Gently pull on your right wrist, inviting that greater opening into the right side body for 3, 2, 1. Beautiful work. Slowly come back to center. And relax your hands down. Good. Just taking a moment here, just to perhaps just take a little tune in, a little check in with the body. Seeing how you're feeling. Maybe noticing any energy, any prana, energy, life force moving around. Good. And now slowly letting your eyes open if they're closed. And let's bring our hands onto our hips. And if it's comfortable for you, maybe slide them a little bit more towards the back of your hips. So option to bring your hands anywhere along here, maybe on the hips, fingertips facing down, slide them back. Maybe give the top of your hips a nice little rub, which feels really good. And then as you're ready here, moving into a gentle back bend. Now before you go into this, let's really stabilize the body. So bringing a gentle bend into the knees. And again, engaging through your thigh muscles, hugging in, squeezing through the thighs. Now hug in through your core. And now lift your sternum, this bone right here. Imagine yourself lifting it right up towards the sky. Beautiful heart opener. So option here to either keep the chin tucked, Especially if you have any neck sensitivity, keep the back of the neck nice and long, supporting the neck. Or if it's comfortable, maybe lifting the chin up. And draw your elbows a little closer together. And breathe up into your heart. Beautiful heart opener. Take a deep breath in. Exhale it out. Good. One more deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Slowly come back to center. All right, and now bring your hands onto your hips, just hooking your fingers around the front of your hips. We're gonna move into a nice little forward fold here. So again, bringing a gentle bend to the knees. Hug in through the core, hugging your navel, pulling it right towards your spine to support your spine as you now lift up through your sternum and slowly begin to fold forward any amount. So option number one, just bring your hands right onto your thighs, giving your spine a lot of support here. If it's comfortable for you, maybe bring your hands down onto your shins. Or if it's comfortable, bending your knees as much as you need to, just to allow the upper body to rest on your thighs. Just coming into a nice forward fold. Yeah, maybe grasping opposite elbows if that feels good. Maybe gently shake the head no, nod the head yes. Maybe bring a gentle swaying motion into the spine if that feels good. Yeah, and just taking a few nice deep breaths here. Maybe even just taking a nice little sigh. Just letting any stress from your day pour out through the top of your spine. Good, and now as you're ready, gently release your elbows, maybe placing the hands on the shins or the thighs for a little extra support. Hug in through your belly again, hugging that navel to spine, and slowly begin to roll up vertebrae by vertebrae. Good, and as you get to the top, maybe taking another couple of shoulder rolls if that feels good. Maybe closing your eyes if you're not dizzy, and just feel for any newfound areas of space. Maybe any newfound areas of brightness in the body. Good. Slowly flutter your eyes open. And let's take 2 more deep rounds of breath together. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, sigh it out through the mouth. Bring your hands to heart center. Good. Again, one more time. Deep breath in. Fill up. Deepest breath of the day so far. Exhale. Just letting go. Bring your hands to heart center. Good. And again, bring the hands to heart center. Taking a moment just to tune in with your heart. Honoring your practice, honoring all your hard work, beautiful work, everyone. And the light in me bows to and honors the light in each and every one of you. Thank you so much for sharing your incredible energy today. Have a beautiful day.